How to create Remitly account. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to create Remitly account. In order to create Remitly account, first of all you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.remitly.com/landing/send money. I'll make sure to drop the link as well on my description box below. When you're on this page, you have to go ahead and tap the join now button in order to create an account. Now, to begin with the creation of your account, enter in the email address, create a password. For the confirmation, type in twice. So quickly enter in all of these information. Once done with this procedure, click the join now button. So after done creating your password, moving on to the next step, you have to go ahead and provide in your personal information, your contact details and all that. Once you've provided the following information, as per the verification, you need to enter in the verification code that's going to be sent through an SMS or an email. And when you do that, you'll be taken to the terms and condition page where you have to go through it and mark on it. After that, you need to go ahead and create a login credential. So then to create a login credential, it's only going to be your email address and then setting a password. Once you've done that, you've successfully created your Remitly account, and accordingly you can just go ahead and link your bank account, or you can verify it by providing your ID and all that. And so that's how you can create an account on Remitly. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.